Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I will be unboxing my pre-orders from the fall winter collection. This is the show I went to see in Paris. So I'm super excited to show you what I pre-ordered, what I got, and I have quite a few pieces to show you. Also, I do have another little something from the most recent Coco Neige collection. So after the fashion show in Paris, I was able to pre-order a few pieces and they finally arrived. Not all of them. So I know many of you will be probably most curious to see the handbag. However, that's the only item that I'm still waiting on. None of the boutiques have received it and I'm still waiting for my boutique where I placed my pre-orders to receive that particular bag. But don't worry, I still have some really amazing pieces to show you, ready to wear accessories, shoes. So yeah, I think you will absolutely love them as well. So yeah, keep watching if you're interested. Let's get started. So I will start with the piece that I was most excited about. If I had to choose only one piece to get from this show as a memory, it would have been this. Well, it is this. That's what I pre-ordered. It is a ready-to-wear piece. It is a classic tweed jacket and it is the most stunning one that I have ever seen. So can you guys guess? I think many of you know already what it is. By the way, these are new dust bags. So let me show you. This is the piece that caught my eye as soon as I saw it on the fashion show. It was this one, or there was the same one but a dress that could be worn as a coat. I did try that one on. I was waiting for my boutique to receive both so I can decide which one I wanted to go for. But at the end, of course, I had to go with this classic tweed jacket. I think it was a bit more me and it looked much better on. You know, when you put a piece on, you can just tell it is the right one for you. So that's what happened with this one. As soon as I tried it on, I was like, that's it. And I did actually try it on in my first shopping vlog from the collection, but I found it in another boutique. But because I pre-ordered with my boutique, I had to wait for them to receive that piece, and I wanted to buy it, of course, from my boutique where I usually shop from because they invited me to the fashion show. At one point I was getting worried because I was like, when is my jacket coming? Why is it taking so long? I saw it in another boutique. But yeah, I was patient, finally arrived, and I'm super happy. So this to me is such a special tweed, and I didn't mention this particular tweed in a couple of videos already and how much I love it. And the reason is because first, it is a classic black jacket. They do this pattern quite often. If you watch back some of the previous collections, you can see they do this square pattern quite often. It's very signature for Chanel. It's black and white and it has the most precious little sequins and their little camellias. Oh, we also have very special buttons on this piece. They're camellia, and initially I thought they were silver, but they're actually champagne gold, which is perfect. And they have tiny little CCs in the corners, so I'll just show you a close-up so you can have a look. But I think all these details make this particular piece so signature for this particular collection because it was focused around the camellia. As you can see, if you watch the show back, there was a massive camellia in the middle. This is such a classic, but also the price is really good. Considering there are sequins, I was actually shocked how... It's stupid to say cheap because it is a lot of money, but for Chanel standards, this was actually very reasonably priced, I'm not gonna lie. This was under £6,000. I paid £5,750. And for pieces that are normally embellished, you know, usually they're like 7,000–8,000 plus. So yeah, this is the jacket. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I would love to hear, but yeah, I'm just so in love with this and I know I'm gonna wear it a lot. I actually already wore it, that's why it doesn't have tags. I was so impatient, I had to wear it ASAP. Alright, next we have a pair of shoes, and this is my first ever pair of this particular style, which is so classic and so signature for Chanel. I'm actually surprised myself I didn't pick up a pair of these earlier, but I think I was just waiting for the right color, pattern, fabric. I'm giving it away a little bit. I'm sure many of you can probably guess which pair of shoes I'm talking about. Comment down below if you can guess. So let's unbox them quickly. There's bags, and inside we have we all know Maria likes to be matchy, so of course I had to buy these, right? No surprise there. Here they are, the classic sling bags in the same tweed as the jacket, and they have the cutest tiny CC logo on the heel, no logo anywhere else. Aren't these perfection? I think they are so cute, and in this tweed, black and white again with the cutest little camellia sequins. Also the toe cap is in fabric as well, but it's like a different fabric, like it's not tweed. Can you believe I didn't own a pair of these before? I mean, they're such a classic. Everyone loves the Chanel slingbacks. And honestly, I'm surprised myself that I didn't have these before. I think the only pair that I really considered getting was the crystal slingback from the spring summer collection. But they were almost £3,000 and I was like, I'm not sure if I'll wear them enough to spend that kind of money. Plus, I've always loved these in the tweed. I was just waiting for the perfect tweed, I guess, so here it is. I mean, so these were £900 exactly. I'm not sure if they're more expensive or cheaper than the leather version. I can't remember, to be honest, but these I also got because I know you guys will ask about the sizing. These, I would say, gets true to size. Normally in open shoes, at the back I mean, I am 38, which is UK 5. In boots, sneakers, closed shoes, I like to be a bit more comfortable, so I usually size up, especially in boots I find. So I would go for 38.5, but these I would say get true to size, because if you buy them bigger, the sling back, the strap will actually fall down, so it needs to be secure so you can walk more comfortably. So get your normal size. These also got in the C fit, so bear that in mind. Chanel has C fit and B fit, and you can see that on the bottom next to the number it says a 38C, which means they're the wider fit. These I definitely wanted in fit C because I find that the slingbacks actually fit quite narrow, and I find them more comfortable in the C fit. Another bag with more goodies inside. So what should I show you next? I'm gonna show you, this is actually the first item that I picked up from the collection. So you can tell by the size of the box it is fashion jewelry, right? I am obsessed with earrings. You guys know that I collect Chanel earrings. I wear them the most, so I know they're pricey, but these was such a good price. I couldn't believe my eyes. Even my Chanel SA was surprised. So let me show you. Look at them, how cute! I think when I reviewed the collection, I'll link that video above, I mentioned that I love that in this collection there are so many fashion jewelry pieces with black accents, and especially in fall and winter I like to wear earrings with black crystals. I do have another pair of Chanel earrings with black leather accent on them, and I do reach for them very often, especially end of the year when it's really cold and I wear darker clothes. I saw the price and I couldn't believe my eyes. Guys, they were under £500. This is unheard of from Chanel currently. Like, all their earrings and fashion jewelry is so expensive, especially when it has crystals, and these are quite statementy. They're not tiny little stud earrings, you know, they're quite big. So I was actually surprised these were under £500. My essay also had to double check the price, and I was like, how can I not get these? I mean, they're stunning. They're exactly what I was looking for, something with black crystals. I did actually wear these in a couple of videos, so you might have spotted them, but yeah, I think they're gorgeous. and I just love them. They look like little padlocks. Actually, they remind me a little bit of my Hermes padlock earrings, but of course these have CCs. But yeah, they look like little padlocks. I love, love, love them. And finally, a little something something from the Coco Neige collection. It recently launched here in the UK, and this is Chanel's Resort Ski Winter Collection. So let me show you what I got. You can probably tell by the size of the box. There were actually so many amazing items, like ready-to-wear pieces and accessories, beautiful scarves in this collection, but I couldn't resist this. You can tell it's probably a pair of sunglasses, but can you guys see the case they come in? How cute is that? First of all, it matches my eyeshadows. Second, it is a puffer case. Normally Chanel sunglasses come in a hard case. These only came with this puffer satin pink case, very wintry. It looks like a little ski jacket for your sunnies. This is how the case opens, and inside we have a pair of sunnies that are vintage inspired. You might recognize this style. I actually haven't removed the tags yet. Let me remove the tags because I'm definitely keeping these. Some of these Chanel sunglasses are super overpriced. Like there are sunglasses for £1,000, 600, 700, 800 pounds. These were 385, and they're so amazing. Like, look at this. Look at this. I mean, aren't they fab? Love them. I love them. I actually had a pair of vintage Chanel sunglasses before. I remember a couple of years ago, I think it was during the pandemic, like everyone went crazy about the Chanel vintage sunglasses. I think Kylie Jenner wore them, and then like they were impossible to find on the pre-loved websites. They were reselling for crazy premiums, and I actually did pick up a pair of the vintage style. I think I have a picture on my Instagram. I'll insert it here. But I don't think they suited me that much. They were a bit more curved, and actually with the Coco Neige collection they do have the more curved version as well. I'll insert a picture here, but I knew that style didn't suit me as much. I actually ended up selling my vintage style, and when I saw that they have these ones, I was like, these I know will suit me a lot more. So yeah, I had to pick them up. And these are silver, but they have like a purple, pink tint, even like blue. It like changes. So yeah, I love the color, very unique, tiny little CCs. These definitely give very ski vibes because of the reflective lens. I can just imagine wearing these with like a white puffer coat up in the mountains. Oh, how nice. They'll be perfect for a winter holiday, no? I'm just so excited about snow. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Chanel unboxing. Let me know which item was your favorite. Stay tuned for the handbag unboxing. I still have no idea when my bag is coming because I've been waiting over a month now, and actually cruise collection is coming up soon as well, so hopefully they'll receive my pre-ordered bag soon so I can show it to you. And trust me, I'm very impatient at this point. I can't wait. Let me know if you picked up anything from this collection. I would love to chat in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.